Hey guys, I was asked to do an unboxing video here of this illusion lamp. So let's take a look. So, before I even open the box, I can tell it's much smaller than I was anticipating. Based on the pictures, it looked like it was going to be bigger. But it's clear something large won't fit in this box. Comes with a remote. Okay, well, appears to be well padded. So hopefully we won't need the box anymore. The installation seems pretty self-explanatory. Let's take a look here. The instructions. Remove the transparent film. Okay, so let's figure out somewhere I can prop the camera, because I wasn't sure what all I was going to have to do. That should be good enough, right? You guys can... Okay, well, it's coming off easily. Sometimes with these things, it's very hard to remove. Place acrylic in base. Still seems kind of flimsy in the base. Oh, there we go. I needed to push it harder. Okay. Plug in the USB power. And that's pretty much all of the assembly. So assembly's easy. Some of these things that you get, assembly is not easy. So I'm thankful for that. Okay. Press the power button. Power button. On the remote, maybe? Is there a power button? I'm not. Let me pause the video and just make sure that I have power and that there's nothing else here that would be an issue. So don't go anywhere. I'm back. Well, I tested that USB with my phone and it worked fine. But it didn't work with this. So I don't know if this cord is funny or what. But for whatever reason, it wouldn't work with just any USB. But it works fine with that one. It does appear to be the same remote as for these. So that's something for me to keep in mind. But on. Is there a way to get it to go smoothly? Alexa, laundry room light off.
Okay.
Well, it's flashing. Don't particularly want it to flash. Reset. Let's see what that does. Is there a way to just get it smoothly to transition from one color to the other? Yeah, that's kind of. That's 2. Not smooth. What's 3? What's 4? So it can't smoothly transition, but what it can do is it can dim one and then bring up the next one. So it's not my favorite thing that I've tried, but it's cool. I have to remember how much they were selling for before I really render an opinion. Because I'd pay $20-30 for this. I wouldn't pay $100 for it. I think if I give it to my daughter for her room, she'll probably really like it. What does reset do? So you could use it like a nightlight. So it's smaller and cheaper looking than what it looks like in pictures online, but it's still cool. And again, depending on the price point, I might recommend it. I will post the video and I'll post the link and you guys can see for yourselves. Thanks for watching.